Rolling and action.
Hello, my name is Monica Jacobs-Birigno, filmmaker. Yeah, so today's session we've learned a lot. Personally, I've learned how to assemble the camera from how you get it from the bag when it's all dismantled, how to assemble it and then also dismantle it. Then we've learned about lenses, the different types of lenses, when to use what lens, in case you want a medium shot, a wide shot, or a close-up or an extreme close-up. What kind of lenses do you look at? Like what range of millimeters do you look at? Then how do you film in a confined space? What lenses would you use in such scenarios? Then we've also learned about lighting, because lighting is very important when it comes to filming, and I mean, cinematography works hand in hand with lighting. So of course you have to learn basic lighting. At least you have to have a knowledge of how to use lights so that you get a very good picture, so that you know how much the ISO, some people call it ISO, or ISO, whatever you want to call it, the iris, the aperture, how all those things work together depending on the light that they are exposed to or the light that you have. Then we've learned about how to create frames. How do you use frames? Like in case you want something, how do you frame your scene? Then, of course, the icing on the cake for me was the practical bit. After you've learned all these things, how do you use them? How do you practice and, tell? Because the last session was by Lukman, storytelling, using one camera, you guys, just one camera, and then you have to tell a story. There was no speech, no sound used, just one camera. And yeah, overall, it was complex, it was challenging, but it helped us to learn that use what you have, then the others will be complementaries. That way you'll do an excellent job if you know how to tell a story from just one angle, and then all the rest will work in place when you have the equipment. Then, of course, I've learned we need to network. Character is very important, and discipline. Yes, for me, I'm glad I came I came to be a part of this workshop, and I call upon people out there, if you want to learn, it's entirely filmmaking, not just cinematographers or actors or directors. It's basically everything. Set design, costume, there's a lot to learn. And even if you're already a practicing cinematographer or whatever filmmaker, I believe learning is continuous. There's always something you need to add for you to stand out. Yes, I mean, you are creative. Creatives never stop learning. Yeah.